Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to generate a full Playwright testing project in just a few seconds using a single CLI command. Let's jump right in. To create a new Playwright project, open your terminal and run npm init playwright at latest. This command launches the Playwright setup wizard, which handles everything for you. First, choose whether you want to use TypeScript or JavaScript. I will choose TypeScript because Playwright's typing makes writing tests easier. Next, Playwright asks if you want to add example tests. If you are new, choose Yes. They are super helpful to see how everything works. Then you can choose to add a GitHub Actions workflow for CI. This is optional, but great if you want to run tests automatically in pipelines. Finally, the wizard asks if you want to install the browsers, Chromium, Firefox, and WebKit. Select Yes, and Playwright downloads everything you need. And that's it. The project is generated. Let's take a quick look at what Playwright created. The tests folder is where all your test files live. Playwright includes an example spec to help you get started. If you added test examples, another folder should be displayed here with a bunch of ready-to-run demos. Then we have the Playwright config file. This is the main configuration file. You can set test retries, timeouts, browsers, devices, and more. The package.json contains all Playwright scripts and you can use them to run the tests or configure test suites and stuff like that. The .github folder, if you choose to enable it in the wizard, is the main configuration regarding the CI pipeline. And now you have a full Playwright test framework ready to go. You can run your tests headless with the following CLI command: npx playwright test. Type enter and all the test examples will get executed. If you want to run the tests in headed mode, you need to pass the -headed option, and you will see the browser in real time. By default, Playwright runs tests in parallel using multiple workers. If you want to run everything sequentially, set the workers to 1 like this: npx playwright test --workers equal 1. And as you can see, all the tests will run sequentially. Instead of 3 seconds, this time they took almost 6 seconds. That's it. Your Playwright project generated is ready to go. If this tutorial helped, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Happy testing!